From raw fabric to stylish jeans in minutes, here's how it's made. It all starts with raw denim fabric. Every roll is inspected for quality. Layers are stacked for bulk cutting. Precision machines cut the patterns. Pieces are sorted for stitching. Each part is stitched together. Pockets are carefully designed. Pockets are carefully designed. The main structure takes shape. Zippers are added for function. Buttons are fixed firmly. Belt loops are stitched on. Now the jeans are fully assembled. They are sent for washing. Washing gives texture and softness. Then they are dried quickly. Design effects are added. Extra threads are removed. Jeans are pressed for a neat look. Brand tags are added. Jeans are folded neatly. They are packed for shipping. Stored before delivery. From factory to fashion, ready to wear.